Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's try out to make this model inside ONSHAPE. Take a screenshot if you need the dimensions and make sure the dimensions are in inches. Go for the sketch, choose this right plane, make it normal, switch off the datum planes. I'll start from a line, vertical and then an inclined line, and now I want to dimension it. Define the angle 135. This is 2.5. This is 4, and I'll go for the offset, and the offset is 0.625. I will close the region, close this region. I will go for extrude and extrude it up to 2.5. Okay, now I'll go for fillet 0.5. choose this edge and this edge. Okay, now we'll go for sketch, choose this face and make it normal, and draw a circle. Diameter of the circle is 1, as you can see over here, and the distance from both the edges is 1.25. 1.25 from the top, 1.25, and isometry, and remove it. Okay, again I will go for sketch, and this time I'm choosing go for the center point rectangle, and add a circle like this, point 625, point 625, and the distance from here till here is 3. And if you look at the height, so it becomes, and from the bottom till here it is 1 inch. Okay, again I will make it normal, add smaller circles, and I will go for the equal. Okay, I want to select for the smart dimension. This is 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, and 0.5. Or either you can just select the equal constraint as well, remove it, and this region and this region. Okay, so now you're ready. Thanks for watching.